Hey guys, welcome to our tip of the day. Today's tip is Assistive Touch, like physical home button. Let's go and check it out. Assistive Touch is nothing but the replacement for the physical home button. Now we can see how to utilize that. Moving to Settings and moving to General, and then for accessibility, then we can see an option called Assistive Touch. By enabling that, we can see an icon of Assistive Touch on the screen. By clicking on that icon, the icon will display it, and there are few options over there. This is the first level screen of that Assistive Touch. We have few options called Siri, Custom, Notifications, Lock Screen, Screenshot, Device and Control Center. By clicking on Device, we have moved to the second level of the screen. Now we have some few options like volume down, volume up, lock screen, rotate screen and mute. And we have an option called More and even back. By clicking on More, we will be moved to third level screen, which consists of multitasking, screenshot, SOS, restart, speak screen, reachability, gestures and shake, and even we have the back mode as it is. By clicking back, we will be moved to the actual first level, and by clicking on home, we'll move to home. This icon can be moved to anywhere to edge on the home screen. This is very flexible. Now I'm clicking on Control Center. It's open. Now I'm back to home. Now I'm clicking on Notifications. Yeah, Notifications has been open. And now again I'm moving to home. Now I'm clicking on Custom. Here we can customize. Now we can see how to customize the default options of the Assistive Touch. Clicking on Customize top level menu, we are on the customization layout of Assistive Touch, and the limit is 8. You can add up to 8 icons or 8 options over the screen, and the minimum is 1. You can add up to 8. After adding, we can even reset. By clicking on reset, we can move to the default layout. I'm going to add few. By clicking on plus, we can move to the menu which are available to add. Now I'm going to add this multitasking. Clicking on done, multitasking is added to this layout. And again by clicking on plus, and now I'm going to add the screenshot. And by clicking on done, the screenshot shortcut will be added to this layout. Yeah, we can see that. I'm done with that, and by clicking on multitasking on Assistive Touch, the command is given and the work is done.
Hey guys, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.